Turkstra Trusses has been manufacturing the highest quality wood roof and floor trusses since 1975. And with our modern production facility, we continue to be leaders in the industry. The process starts with our experienced estimators and design team. They work directly with architects, framers, and custom home builders to provide the best possible solutions for the structural framing of the project. For large-scale jobs, our truss and floor designers work together so that your floor and roof systems are designed to complement each other. Using specialized CAD software, the design team creates well-thought-out layouts and efficient truss designs to benefit both the framer and the contractor. Files from the design office are sent directly to our production scheduling software to be organized on the appropriate line. Lumber pick lists are generated, and we select only the best kiln-dried number 1 and number 2 grade lumber for your build. Our automated component saws allow for precision cut parts. Each member is labeled and organized on a cart ready for assembly. From the carts, each of the lines fits together their pieces of the puzzle. Laser projection and automated jigging systems ensure trusses are straight and true to the design. Each truss is connected with steel plates which are mechanically pressed into the lumber. A finish roller ensures the plates are well embedded into the truss. The finished truss is stacked neatly and in sequential order to be shipped to site, where they are delivered using our special roll-off trailers designed for trusses and engineered floors. Turkstra Trusses, always on the level.